Hello, I am your friend Nomi. Learn alphabet with me. A. A. A is for apple. A is for apple. B. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Great job! Great job! D. D. D is for dog. D is for dog. E. E. E is for egg. E is for egg. F. F. F is a flower. F is for flower. Peekaboo.